4th of July with our Nana. So let's get started. We're going to be starting off with doing our Nana's nails, and we're gonna, before we put on anything, we're gonna put on some lotion.
That's a lot of lotion.
Here's some lotion
lot
for
of
Emma.
lotion.
There we go. Some lotion for me. Fell on the table.
Yes, remember this? The massage?
Yes.
Yes, we've done this to our Nana before.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, sorry. These aren't the best views. Yeah, we're in a camper.
I think I'll just like keep my hand out of the way.
Okay. I think that's good. Now,
Smells good.
now we're gonna put on a base coat.
Yes.
Actually, maybe instead of this one, we could put on an actual real base coat from this super bougie kit.
Bougie.
Yeah, it's called a base coat. Yeah, let's put that on.
Okay.
Okay, we'll start with.
It'll help it
Oh,
last
actually,
longer.
we could use two different.
Oh yeah.
We may use these two at once. I don't know if you can see them. Oh my gosh, this is horrible. Sorry, Nana. Okay, we got this base coat. We've got this base coat, so we'll do that now, and we'll time lapse it. We just finished our Nana's nails, so now they're drying. And while they're drying, we'll show you what colors we're gonna do. We're gonna do this blue,
We'll do this white.
and this sparkly red. So they're gonna be like matte, but except for this one. So we'll be back when they're all dry.
Really get your nails done. They put it under a thing to
Yeah.
dry it, you know.
Yeah.
We're
That's
not-
fun.
We're not
that
professional.
bougie. Okay, now her base coat is kind of dry. Not
Because-
really. We're impatient.
You guys could be nail people.
Yeah, we go.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna move on to painting them now. I'll start with the blue. I'll do blue on her thumb, I guess. Wait, no, red, white,
Red,
blue.
white, and blue.
Okay, I'll do red first. You could do the white. Do the white part,
I'm supposed to do this.
and then we need to make them the same.
How am I supposed to like?
Oh yeah, we'll time lapse this because it's gonna be kind of boring. Sorry, back camera.
It's in my way.
Here are Nana's nails. They look very bougie. Bougie. And now we're gonna wait for those to dry and then put on a high gloss top coat. So we'll be back. I'm gonna put on the top coat now.
On my hand.
Okay, top coat coming up.
Keep your hand still, Nana.
Oh.
Also, while she's doing that, remember to comment on our last video, on our most previous one, because remember, we're going to do a Q&A. But don't comment on this video. Comment on the last one,
Yellow.
on our previous one.
I think that's good.
the other
Riley's
side.
turn.
Doesn't this kind of look like Gucci?
Yeah. Bujai. Get a close-up shot. Yes.
These may not be the nicest nails. They may be a little messy because we're not pros. But
Well,
they're good enough.
I realize that.
Okay. Now Nana's nails are all done and they're looking bougie.
I'm a little
They're,
cross-eyed here.
they're looking gorgeous. Very 4th of July. Now we'll do ours. Now me and Emma are gonna do lotion on our hands. Yeah, I just did a little dot. What's the smell of it?
That's Bath and Body.
It's wild honeysuckle. Whatever that is. Okay, now we can put on our base coats. Are you gonna want to put on this one? Okay.
I'm just gonna kind of paint over my white.
Yeah, we'll tie past this. We just put our base coats on. So now we're waiting for those to dry. But while they're drying, we could tell them what our plans are. Do you want to go first?
Do you mind if I go out now?
Yep. Thanks for coming. We'll see you next time, Nana.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you, girls.
They're over there.
Say bye, Nana.
Bye.
Thanks for being on our video.
So I think you need.
Yeah, give this video a thumbs up for Nana.
I'm gonna use this like matte.
See anybody out here? I know.
So they're on the other side.
A matte red. Yeah.
Yep.
A matte red. And I don't know what other designs I'm gonna do yet. But I'm gonna use this one, silver, this blue. Just go right there. And then this light blue to do designs.
I'll be back, Ellie.
So I think I'm gonna use these 5 colors and do different designs and stuff. I don't really know yet. I mean, what I'm gonna do. But I'll see. Different designs on my red and blue, maybe, and white. How's this gonna be like?
Sorry about that.
Is this pen? I showed them my colors.
Okay, you done? Okay. I'm going to, so for my thumb, I'm gonna put this sparkly red on it. Then for my pointer finger, I'm gonna do like horizontal lines, red, like that. Then this white, then this blue, and then for my middle finger, I'm going to do white with silver sparkle on top. Then for this finger, I don't know what it's called, I'm gonna do blue, I think I'm gonna do blue for that one. Then the last one I'm gonna do just plain white. Yeah. We'll be back when they're all dry because they're not fully dry yet. Yeah. We're So now our nails are finished on this side.
Kind of like I have one more nail to do.
So I have this red glitter right here. Then I have the red, white, and blue, as I was saying. Then I have it's white with silver glitter, then blue, then white. And that's how they look all together. They don't look actually that cute together. They look fine by themselves. But yeah, Emma's.
So I'm gonna do like a flag sort of thing on there. That's how it's turning out. And then I did a white one with blue stripes, and then a blue one with like the silver glitter kind of one. And then I'm gonna do like the one like hers almost, but just straight white red.
It's gonna take a long time.
And then this one I don't know yet. I haven't done it yet.
Yeah, so we will be back after we do that on the other side. Actually, I lied. Before we do the other side, after Emma's are done, we're gonna have to do the top coat. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start doing my top coat because I think mine are like almost dry. This one's my favorite. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna do the top coat. I'll do that. The nails are done now. This is what mine looks like. It's got red, that. Both sides.
Oh, mine looks this side. And then this side I just kind of gave up and normal.
Let's get closer for viewers because you're really cute. Yeah, so on this one it's red. This one got stripes. This one's got glitter. This one's got lines. Then now that our nails are all done, we will continue this tomorrow for fireworks. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow is the real 4th of July. Bye. We're back and now we're gonna do the fireworks, so let's go. That is it for today's video. Yeah, the next day. Our nails totally, yeah, failed. I think our nails are still done. Yeah, so we hope you like this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. See you next time. Bye!